is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. A little bit of a different intro today, as I'm in West Virginia with Ken. What's that, Big Sheila? You want to go? We are making our way to Staunton, Virginia today, and we stopped off yesterday in I believe it's called Cumberland, Pennsylvania, or New Cumberland. Stayed at the Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott. Great hotel, staff was cool as hell to us. We went to a place over there, I think it was called Boomerangs. Old Bay wings for the win. But I will bring you back as we get closer to the destination. It's windy out here, and we've been getting rained on and off the whole trip. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. And we're back on this nice rainy day. Hoping this video turns out good. I can't stay too close to Ken's tires because they're just roosting rain up. But this is the Shenandoah National Park in Virginia. If this video does make it up, because again it's raining, I don't know what it's going to look like on the camera. I'll have to look when I get home. I will put the name and address on the screen. Dickey Ridge Visitor Center, 4 miles. So this would be a beautiful ride on a sunny day, but it has just been spanking us with rain. Yesterday we left, I left from Jersey City, he left from Saddlebrook, and we met just over the line on 78, and we got puked on 1 or 2 times. Pretty heavy downpour, but you know, maybe 5-10 minutes. Wasn't the end of the world. But yeah, so far so good. Tomorrow's supposed to be nice. We're going to, I believe, the Thomas Jefferson State Park. I'll put that address right up here, and it'll be in the description as well. This is going to be a bunch of videos. Like I said, I'm not even sure this one's going to see the light of day, given it's raining and I can't see what's going on the lens. Yeah, look at this, huh? I do have Big Sheila in rain mode. It's not even 70 degrees. And yeah, see, look at this. Nice curvy friggin' road, and I'm doing it in the rain. You bastard. It's fun. Well, it's not funny, but it's the rain mode on this pulls a lot of power away from the motor to keep you from, you know, slipping and everything. Very pleased this bike came with that. I've got my vents taped off, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a pin lock, but when the rain's coming in the helmet, not a good time. I actually had a raindrop come in the visor, sit right in the middle, driving me nuts for like 45 minutes on the highway. Oh my god, are you friggin' kidding me? All the way up here. The spandex Spartan, never out of his element. Rain nor snow nor sleet will keep him from slowing down traffic. I am wet and I am cold. Let's go with the visor up for a bit, huh? I don't know if you can see, that thing's throwing water 6-8 feet up in the air. I've had 2 free baths today, so no point showering later. To be on vacation, huh? Good use of that directional there, buddy. Scenic overlook, you ain't seeing shit. hopefully this gets to see the light of day. You guys can experience the rain and fog with me. And if you like rain and fog, if you'd be nice enough to give it the thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. This, I'll tell you, even in the rain, this is a nice ride. Imagine doing it on a nice, warm, sunny day. Just hit 3,214 miles on Big Sheila. I have the seat on here now. It's a Harley Davidson seat. It's a wider one. Initially I didn't like it. But I really didn't give it a chance, so I put it back on. I brought the other seat with me. I don't know if you can see it. It's strapped to the back there. And I have all 3 bags on. And this seat is a very big improvement over the stock seat. Stock seat, an hour and something, my ass hurt like hell. I've been able to get 3+ with this. I did, however, have to put a net on the seat to keep from sliding all over the place. That's the only bad thing. It's a little pitched forward, and the material is a little slippery, but you know, I got this net for dirt cheap off of Amazon to keep me in place, and I'm very happy with it. I'm not very happy. My visor fogging up and this nonsense. And I have a purple tinted visor on my Simpson, so you know, I look at over there and I'm like, oh, the sky's blue, it's coming back out, and I keep forgetting it's the visor. I literally can't see anything. This might be a short video because, well, I'm cold and wet and this sucks. Ah, look at that. Stock Harley Speedo is 2 miles off. I think cars are like that too. The visitor center right here. Programs and exhibits. Dickie Ridge Visitor Center. Not to be confused with Dickie Peters, Cherub of Justice. Fighting for truth in the American way. Ah, this sucks. Still chugging along here in the Shenandoah State Park. Completely drenched with Ken in front of me. Only 20 miles left till we're out of here. Seems to have cleared up a bit, so I was like, let me turn the camera on. Hopefully the lens isn't covered in rain and this is a salvageable video. And if you're watching it, it means it is. Hoorahs. Very nice ride. Like I said though, I'd rather be doing this on a sunny day. Sorry for the wind noise. I have to keep opening up my helmet. I honestly think this is something I'm going to revisit either this year or next year. So this is a really nice ride, and I think the rain is finally letting up. Now if I could just get the sun back. You know what they say though, any day on motorcycle is a good day. Hell, I'll take this rain and stuff. I've been riding around the same places forever. I was just kind of bummed I didn't have the camera on the highway. We get out and there's cornfields and there's farms, and we leave PA, we're in Maryland, and then we're in, was it West Virginia, I think, for a second, and then Virginia. Very nice ride, very nice. I am also going to drop a link in the description. Meeting one of my friends, Matt, who moved away, and he started it's a very small clothing brand. He loves motorcycles. He's trying to do something in it, and I'll put all the details in the description. I believe it's called Pist'n Living. I don't get paid or anything. It's just he's a friend, and I'd like to see him do well, as you want to see your friends do well. But yeah, we're starting to get a little more foggy. So if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I drop these videos every Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. Once again, I thank you all for watching my videos, regardless of how long you stay. I hope you guys will come back for next week's video.